Okay, what we are going to do next is to filter the variants. So we are going to select all variants that pass the filters. So to do that, we will consider this column. Let me just issue this command. So I'll say zgrep, then I'll specify this. I'll specify variant.or.bcf.gz. I'll say ~n. You can use another way to get the headers, it's fine. So this column is what we are going to consider. So this filter column, so if a variant pass the filters, then its value is going to be pass, PASS. Okay, so that's what we are going to use to filter the variants. So to filter the variants based on the filter column using bcftools, we will say bcftools, and we say filter, and we say -i. So -i here indicates that we want to include those records that satisfies the criteria. So we will put it in quotes, that's the expression. So I'll say filter equals, and then the pass, we put it in double quotes. So that's what we are going to. So that means that all records where the column filter, okay, the value there is pass, should be selected. That is what the -i here is for, include. Perfect. So now we are going to specify our VCF file. That is this one here. And then we say -o z, then -o. So I'll say variant.or.pass.vcf.gz. That's the name I'll give it. So let's execute this command. Perfect, that has been done. So let's do an ls, and we are going to find that file there, which is this one here, variant.or.pass.vcf.gz. So you also notice that I give some suffix for each of these files. So this lets me know what has been done to the VCF file. So here I had variant.or.vcf.gz. Here I have variant.or.pass.vcf.gz. So this pass here lets me know that these are variants that passed the filter, okay, or the criteria that I used. So I am going to index the variant.or.pass.vcf.gz. So I'll say bcftools index variant.or.pass.vcf.gz. Perfect, that has been done. So it has been executed successfully for us. Okay,